Wow. I don't know, I low-key feel like I'm fibbing when I'm saying that this is like a 5-minute makeup because there's barely any makeup, but you'll see how we just elevate the face just a little bit. It just takes 5 minutes. If you don't have time to do makeup, you don't like a lot of makeup, just want to kind of bring out some of your features a little bit, this is what we're gonna do. So this routine focuses more on skincare and just really making the face just more glowy and youthful. This is the Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray, the SOS. Everyone knows this. This is so good. Really enjoyed these two Tower 28 products. This is the Intensive Rescue Serum, and this is a Daily Barrier Recovery Cream. I promise this is not sponsored. Maybe one day. And I did get these two for free, I think in PR a while back, but they're almost done and I already bought backups because I love them that much. This is like a watery serum. I don't know what it does, but I feel like it works. My skin loves it and drinks it up. And this, I don't know if you can see it in the light, but I can see it. This is almost done. It's like down here. This is supposed to be kind of like a thicker moisturizer, but I wear it throughout the day and even to work out, and my skin really likes it. And I don't have dry skin. I have combo skin. My T-zone is kind of oily. Also, this is like a 5-minute look, but the video is not gonna be 5 minutes because I yap a lot. Oh well. This is what I usually do though, like on a daily basis when I don't feel like actually like putting a lot of makeup on, but I still want to put myself together with a little bit more than just skincare. So this is really in between no makeup and no makeup. So I always put on an eyebrow gel. This is from NYX. This is the tinted one. Sometimes I do the non-tinted one. Honestly, whatever I have on hand is what I use. I don't really care if my brows are super laminated. I just want them to be brushed and look nice and full. I do really like this NYX brow glue though. It works really well. I don't really care if my brows like move throughout the day or if they're perfect. I don't know. I don't pay enough attention to that. It doesn't matter to me, but it does work in my opinion. It does keep them in place well enough for my standards. And yeah, that's all I do for my brows. For the eyes, I like to curl my lashes and use mascara. Normally, I have a fresh lash lift. At least I've been trying to keep up with a fresh lash lift because I feel like it helps a lot. My lashes aren't very long without the help of a lash lift, if that makes sense. I do think I'm due for a lash lift soon. Before I do mascara, one of my favorite things to do is get a little bit of liner and just kind of shape my eyes a little bit. So you saw I just did like a little baby wing line there, and I just pull it out and it just kind of makes my eyes come out a little bit. Also, fun fact, I was a professional makeup artist for about 12 years almost, and I'm kind of appalled at the way that I'm describing the steps, but whatever. It's nothing crazy. I don't know if you can tell a difference. I can tell a difference in person. Sometimes I do a little bit more. Actually today, let's go a little bolder. I don't know if you can see what's happening, but it just kind of shapes my eyes a little bit and it gives it a little oomph. I go very minimal because I'm not wearing a lot of makeup on the rest of my face, so it just wouldn't make sense if I had a full liner situation. But I don't even do that anyways. That is the old me. The 2016 version of me used to wear like crazy liner. This is the only mascara that I have worn in months. Honestly, it is so good. I love it on my lashes. I don't have like enough good things to say about it. It's a tubing mascara, so not everyone loves that, but I really like it. I feel like it holds my curl really well. It's so interesting the way that people just grow up and I guess mature and just start loving their natural features, because there was a time when I did makeup that I could not leave my house without wearing lashes. I literally felt bald without it. I think this was during like my MAC days. I felt bald without eyelashes, and now I love it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I still want to have like pretty eyelashes, but my natural ones are just fine. I think I forgot to record the part where I was putting blush on. Yeah, okay, so I use Benetint. You can use any blush. It could be a cream blush, a liquid blush, a powder blush. I use this tint because It stays on all day, and yeah, it stays on all day. I feel like it looks super natural. It doesn't feel sticky once it dries. Like if I did a cream blush, I've done it before, but this is my preferred thing. I used the regular original one, but this is a black cherry. That's really nice. I'm gonna put more on because you didn't see me put it on. Those are the spots that I hit. Normally I would be putting more on, but obviously we're not doing that because hello. This is where it all really comes together, and it's the lip combo. My lip combo is not the same every day. It's different. It's usually a variation of a mauve, brown lip liner with like a balm or a gloss or a oil. Sometimes it's a lip stain, sometimes it's, yeah, it just changes. That is very cyclical. This is a CoverGirl stain. And then I want it to look like kind of natural, but also not kind of natural. So I blend it. I feel like the blush looks a little patchy on camera. I hope it doesn't. Maybe it's because I added too much because I forgot to film it. Whatever. So usually I do this and then I'll layer like a brown on the outside. We'll do this Makeup Forever one. Do you see how that just kind of starts bringing everything together? I like a more pronounced lip liner look. I don't really need it to look like I'm not wearing lip liner. I like to look like I'm wearing a lip combo most of the time, so I don't really blend it out more than this. You can feel free to do whatever you want, whatever works for your face and whatever makes you comfy. One of my most used lip products is Summer Fighter Lip Balm. You either love it or you hate it. I love it. I have so many colors and it just looks so pretty. This is the birthday cake one, I think it was. Yeah, birthday cake, and it was limited edition, I think. It smells so good. This is what we're working with. I don't know if the line is like even. I think this side is longer. I don't care. It doesn't matter. But that is what it looks like. This is my go-to. Sometimes I'm too lazy to wear makeup to go out and do things, or like even to go to church. I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm running late. I don't have time. This is what I'll do. And I feel like I look like I'm just full on wearing makeup, even though you could tell that I'm not. But you are. You know what I mean? Sometimes I'll do concealer and sometimes I'll add like more complexion products. But for day to day, this is what's going on. I will say, if you're going to use a cheek stain, this might happen. Just a warning. Unless you use a brush. I can't believe I almost forgot one of the most important steps is this spray. I love this spray. This is my second bottle of this. It just gives you this glow. I use it when I'm not wearing makeup, when I'm wearing makeup in between my makeup steps. Like, I have not been like a writer for a product in a very, very long time. This product, give me 14 of them right now. I don't know if the glow is showing up on camera because the sun has essentially gone down, but hopefully I can show you another time. This is the final 5-minute, maybe even less than that, no makeup situation. I do this 90% of my life and I just love it. It makes me feel so pretty and put together and so like myself, and it makes me love my features even more because all I'm doing is making them stand out. So yeah, I hope that you maybe learned something, got something from it, maybe got a makeup product recommendation. What am I saying? I hope that you got like something out of this, okay? I hope that we learned something or that you were entertained. Anyways, I love you and so does Jesus.